Jump in bed and cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Hello, my dear crafters. Today I bring you another idea for your Christmas gifts and also your craft fair products. So what we're going to put together today is this beautiful packaging. It's supposed to look like, and it does look like, those snow globes, and it's beautiful and easy to put together. Look at that. Great way for you to gift your friends, to just leave this, for example, on your co-worker's table with a little message, Merry Christmas, or a card, and the kids in your life as well. Look at this one. This one, I have 2 chocolates. You can actually fit 3 of these as Lindors. I only had 2. I put 2 and some shredded paper, but you can actually use this to give like a jewelry, if you have jewelry, small gifts, and it's just a beautiful way to package. This one has 2 Hershey nuggets with some mints, another one, and this one, which is what we're putting together today. How fun is this? Look how beautiful this one came out. I absolutely love it. I added this to make it look like an ornament. It's not the die set, and I'll show you next, doesn't come with the ornament. It's just the snow globe like this. That's the idea. I just added this for fun, to add a ribbon and stuff. But that's the one we're putting together. See, you can use it for little gifts, and this is just a few things that I bought at Hobby Lobby, and I just added, you know, those little ornaments and things that you have at home that are Christmas, or little toys for kids. So that's what I decided to do. So we're going to put this one together. Very easy. You see how easy it is. Very fast. You can mass produce easily for your craft fairs, but it's a beautiful way to say, you know, I took my time to wrap this gift for you. So now let's move to the tutorial. So let's first look at the die set. This die set is by AlinaCutle. You've seen me using her dies all the time, and I always have the link below. They're very inexpensive and creative. So basically what you get is all this. So you have the base, which is this right there. You can see, and it has this stitched line here that you can just pull it open and open without having to destroy it. You have some details. These are all details for the front. See, this one here and these 2. And this one is also to put it here and have some sentiment when you want. And you get these 2 round dies, which are great because you're going to be using this for so many things. And for Christmas, for example, for ornaments, they're great. So you have a stitched one and you have a little smaller one. And the reason why it has 2 is that you're going to, with the stitched one, you can cut the whole thing that's going to cover here and be the background if you want. You can just use this as a background, but I usually just use something else too, just to have some contrast. But you also use do you see this thin detail here? It's like an outline. Let me show you. That's something that will go here, and it does make a difference. Do you have to do that? Yes, because otherwise you're going to be seeing the plastic here. Okay, so, and the way you get this is by using these 2 here together, because then it cuts just the outline, see? So that's why it comes with 2. And it also, when you buy the die, it comes with, I believe it's 10 or at least 8 of these domes. So you're already set to go. So let's put this together and you see how easy it is. So I cut 2 bases to make it sturdier. And this one I cut on the white side so that let me show you the back, because it's easier to see, because this is gonna go like right here at the exact place where you're going to open, okay? You don't have to have two layers. I just do this because I think it does help with the stability. Either that or use very, very thick cardstock. So let me put all of this aside. We're gonna use this later. And with these 2 pieces, I like to add, and this does not come, as you can tell here, we have a place for ribbon, right? It doesn't come. It doesn't come on the die. This is a different one. It's a larger one, and that's the one that I'm gonna use. I just picked it up from, I have so many dies that I just looked for something that could be that. So I have this one that looks like a paper clip. So that's what I'm going to use. So what I do is when I glue, I'm going to glue this inside and it's going to be sticking out like that. So let me zoom in for you so you can see a little better. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put some glue here. You don't have to do this. The die doesn't come with this possibility here. Nothing like to make it an ornament. It was just my decision to do. It's just a fun die. So here, what you're gonna do is you're not gonna glue this part, only the outline and this whole part here, okay? You don't want to glue the part that's going to open. So there, I'm just gonna put these two together like that. And now on the top, let me just make sure that it is aligned. It is. So now we're going to put a lot of glue here for this. Bone folder and press it down. I forgot mine, but that's fine. I'm just gonna press with my fingers. So the base is ready, and you can just use this as your background. I like to cover this thing here. I don't like it showing. It's fine, I guess, but you know me, I do value details. So for that, what I did was I cut this little paper here. And by the way, this is an old lawn fawn. Let me see if I find here. Yeah, I found it here. This is the paper I'm using. It's an old one, but you will for sure, if you go to Lawn Fawn, you're going to find something similar. What I love about their paper pads is that they're usually not very traditional colors. They're very bright, and I love that on Lawn Fawn. So they always have options of colorful, bright, Christmas themed paper pads. So now I'm going to just put this like this, just to cover the whole area here. I miss my bone folder. You guys know that I love my bone folder. But see, I added that. You don't have to. But it's just to give them an option to be... I don't think it would be a good ornament because it would be too heavy for any tree, but it just makes it look like an ornament. So there, this is ready. Now we're going to add this one, we're going to do something different. The other two, I had food inside, so chocolate and some chocolate with mint. Now we're going to do something fun. We're going to feed the kids in us. That's what we're gonna do. I think I'm going to do let me do the whole decorating here. So we get this part, and we have two options for here. You have this one, and you have one that has beautiful stitching in it, and it's really nice. I should have used it actually, but that's too late for now, because on this kind of paper it really shows. So we're just gonna line it here. Oops. There you go. Perfect. Just gonna press it. And I have another one. I just wanted to make one that is fun. You guys know that I love non-traditional colors for Christmas. I love colors, period. So this goes right here at the bottom. Make sure that it doesn't... Press a little bit. I love this paper. This is from Spellbinders. They have the most beautiful metallic paper, and I just smudged it, but that's fine. It's gonna be covered anyway. So I have this little tiny Merry Christmas thing here that was from an ephemera pack. So we're gonna put this in here. There you go. So we have that, and that's gonna go right here. And then I'm gonna add 2 stars. I got yesterday, there is a store here called Craft Warehouse in Portland, and it's one of my favorite stores because you know how it is. I mean, crafting stores, depending on what you do, some are better than others. I mean, if you need yarn, maybe this or that is better. But this store has so much of apart from yarn, they're not good for yarn. But for paper, they have some, you know, it's good to go to different stores just to see what they have that the others don't. So I went to Craft Warehouse yesterday and I found the most beautiful stickers. Very delicate, and you guys know how much I make miniatures. I mean, look how beautiful this is. These are little epoxy stickers, and there's little stars, but I just love the colors. They're like pink and blue, and I'm going to use the pink one, and I'm gonna put one here. When I saw it, I was just making yesterday some of these, and I said, wow, that's gonna be perfect for that. And that's what I'm gonna do. And it is, look at that. Isn't that cute? So yeah, so we're done with decorating. Now we're going to have fun. I have a whole bunch of things here that we can choose from. I bought these at Hobby Lobby, these little toys. How cute are they? And I have these little fake lollipops. So we're going to use that. It's going to be a fun one. I'm gonna put some of these. And I already, the way that I do the dome and how I adhere it, is the glue will work fine, but I usually add a little bit of double-sided adhesive first, because this will just help keep it in place before the glue. I use wet glue. Before the wet glue holds it in place, it helps it just stabilize it. And I will take this off and then I'll come back. There you go. So I have it here. We're going to just fill it up. Oh, and I have this beautiful, this is from Spellbinders, I believe. I am not sure. But this came from some kind of kit that I got, and I have these beautiful colors here that match perfectly what I'm going to put inside. So I'm going to use a little bit of these just to give it some fun. Oh, so cute. It's gonna be great. So, okay, so I'm gonna put one of these, maybe 2. Yeah, pink, blue for sure. And we're going to put this blue one and this little, whatever this is, I don't even know how to call it, but this pearl. Do not glue here, my friend. Stay there. So there you go. Maybe we should put another one of these, maybe the green one. Yeah, the green. And there you go. I think it's good. Maybe another one of these. Yeah. So how cute is that? So we're going to add a little more of that. And here's how we're going to glue it. The best way to do this, guys, is that you're going to just flip this like that. And you're going to hold it kind of in place. Press it a little bit where you put the glue, where you put the tape, and then flip it. And now I'm going to get my bone folder because I am going to need it. Just a minute. So I have a few places here where I had the tape, but I'm going to add some more glue, okay? Because you do not want this to come loose. So I just kind of pull it down like this and put some wet glue. Because the thing is not all glued, it's just in some parts, it's really easy to do this. I'm just pushing it down and adding glue all around like that, even where the tape was. This just helps keep it in place, and don't worry about it showing because it doesn't. But I will hold it a little while, just gives the glue a little bit of time to do its magic. And then the last thing we're going to do, very easy, is to add this here. because and that's why you always need to do that, because you don't want this showing. It does show the glue a little bit. So press it down and wait a little bit. You're going to see how well it works and it stays in place, okay? So I think that's good, and we're going to press a little more when we put this on it. So some glue right there, all around. And then you're just gonna put it in place. Perfect. And you're just going to press very gently with your fingers first. Give it a few seconds just for the glue to start working. And then you're going to do the same. We're gonna go around like this, very gently first with your bone folder. And just move it around to make sure that it's rightly placed. And you're done, guys. How easy was that? You can really mass produce this. And how fun is this one, huh? To give it to you, the adults in your life, or the adult kids. I don't know which one is right. But we all have kids inside of us that hopefully have not gone anywhere. Stay there put. And there you go. How cute is this? How fun is that for a kid, huh? You can put little gifts in here. I mean, really, the sky's the limit. Use some of these. See how fun these stars are sticking here. Oh, I love it. I really, really love it. So guys, this is our project for today. The link to this die is in the description below. Just click on the word more, and you'll be able to buy it. It's one of those you use all year long. And here's another idea for you. If you don't want to make it with this, and just cut here and it's an ornament. Just cut this lower part and you have an ornament with a dome. So there you go. Thank you so much, you guys. Let me know if you like this. And if you do make some, let me know, okay? I love when I get your pictures. So just send me to craftingwithpaula@gmail.com. I love to see what you make. And yes, you have a great day, okay?
Been bad and cover up your head 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.